Hi guys, in today's video, I will show you how to register an account Binance on the computer. First you pull down the description below this video and you'll click it. I have a link to sign up for a Binance account. When you click on the link next to you, then you'll get more benefits people. I will get a discount, just as I will receive gifts, promotion through the referral link. I'm going to click here now. Next it's going to look like this. Here you will enter your email, or you can enter your phone number here. After entering it, it will send the body code. Send an email or phone number. Sign up for your account. I will now enter my email. Then I press next. I will receive a code via email. It's like this people, and you stick it here. Then you copy. Next you will create a password. The password must be at least 8 characters. 1 digit. A letter written HOA. You will create a password here. After you've created the password, you can see in this section that everything like this is a list of people. Next you click on next. And then you press in and breathe. After you have entered the interface, it's like this or not. How do I know if I have a promotion? It's got an ID like this. You have received the promotion. Then you click next. And then next you're going to take that step. Next is the account verification step. And the verification process. You need to prepare yourself to be a leader. And a phone that lets me scan a QR code on my computer. Yes, and I will confirm by phone. First, in the residency and country section, you will choose the country in which you live. Then you click on this ID. Let me go through my citizenship. You can also get a driver's license or a driver's license, but I recommend let everyone use their citizen ID. Then you click continue. It will now display a QR code. Come out and you'll use electricity. Use your phone to scan this QR code. So you've been complete the identity verification steps. Now, I will wait for the review. You will now return to the computer interface, and it's going to show up like this. And then, you're going to press the button to go to the home page. So after the verification is completed, you will wait for review. After the approval is completed, you can trade on the Binance exchange. Then everyone. So I have just instructed everyone and how to verify identity on the computer interface. If you find this video interesting and useful, don't forget to give yourself a like button and subscribe to the channel. And in the process, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. This is to support everyone. Hi, and see you in the next video.